In this video, I'm going to show you how to export MIDI in Reaper. So there's two ways to do this. The first one is if you go to the top left and click on File, and then you want to go to the bottom and click on Export Project MIDI, you could go and export the project MIDI, okay? You can go and select what you want to consolidate. So I'm going to go entire project, and then all of them over here. You can select where you want to export to, and then down here you can either merge it to a single track or of course do a multi-track MIDI file as well. You can then select your PPQN over here, and you can select these embeds or exports if you want to, and then simply hit the OK button, and it's going to export just like this. As you can see, you can show in Explorer, and here you're going to see your MIDI file just like that. That's the first way, but the second one is if you actually open a MIDI kind of sample or clip. I'm going to double click on this MIDI. You can go and click on File top left, and you can then click on Export to new MIDI file. From here, you can just give it a name. So I'm going to name this one MIDI file 1. I'm going to save it to downloads. Make sure over here it says .mid, so MIDI files. Click on save, and that's also going to save it, okay? So that's how to export MIDI. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.